Hey everybody. So, starting 2021, I've already made a couple of mistakes, and we're just going to talk about two of them. I'm sure there'll be more. So, first of all, the tomatoes. I planted these tomatoes out way too early, and because of the whole climate change issue, we've had two cold fronts come that I was not expecting, because usually it's hot by now, but I'm located in zone 8A in Georgia, so usually it's plenty hot enough by now to put out our tomatoes and stuff, but I put out my tomatoes way too early, and look at what we have here. Crispiness, it's all gone. So that is mistake number one, and let's take a look at mistake number two. Do you see that mess coming out of that garden bed right there? So do not plant strong-willed perennials inside of your garden beds. And I say strong-willed because if it's something easy that you can pull out if you make a mistake, then that's no big deal. But if it's not, then this is what you get. These are Jerusalem artichokes, aka fartichokes, and they have pushed through this old garden bed. This garden bed was old anyway, but they've pushed through. So now I've got to go in and I've got to basically pull this board down, and I've got to pull all of those out. You see how deep they are? They are, oops, sorry. They are in there pretty deep. There we go. Roscoe wants to say hi. Say hi, Roscoe. Say hi. So yeah, that is what I will be doing